Merry Christmas, Connor. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG's special cooking show.
And I'm Owen. Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary here to help us get into our Christmas spirit. They'll be showing us how to make Christmas sugar cookies, so stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary.
Alright, so let's get started with the recipe. So could y'all start by showing us the ingredients needed?
Okay, so the ingredients we need today are what's called butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. What else, Patrick?
We need all-purpose flour and baking powder.
Alright, so let's get started.
Let's jump into it. So first we're going to cream our butter and sugar. So we're going to put our butter into our bowl. We need a cup of butter, so that's 2 sticks. Just throw that in there. And then we're going to take our sugar and we're going to put that in the bowl.
So how much sugar do we need?
We need about 1 cup of sugar.
Alright.
And we already have that pre-measured. So Patrick's going to put that on the stand mixer and we're going to turn that on. Crank it up, Pat.
Patrick knows how to work it.
I do.
Crank it up.
So our butter and sugar are already creamed, so now we're going to add our 1 egg. Does somebody want to? Okay. Patrick will do
do you
the
want to
honors.
do this? Yeah, here you go, Amy.
You got it, Nick.
Oh,
What the? Okay. Just in here?
yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
You're doing
go.
great. Okay, and now we're going to add our vanilla. So we're going to get our tablespoons.
Which one is it?
Teaspoon.
There we go.
Bro, teaspoon.
You said tablespoon. You did. Am I hearing wrong? She definitely said tablespoon.
It's like a 30-minute cookie. Very easy, very simple. So in this bowl, we're going to start mixing our dry ingredients while Patrick combines that. So we're going to add our flour into the bowl.
So how much flour do we need?
We need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then we're going to get our teaspoons again. And we're going to get some baking powder. So
Oh,
there
how's
you
it
go.
looking?
It's looking great. Beautiful.
And then
Just
we're gonna
how
add
it's
a pinch
supposed
of
to look.
salt.
Okay, a pinch of salt.
What?
You don't ever eat like raw cookie dough?
No.
The chance you get someone else looks so
How would I do
low.
with this?
Now we're going to start adding our dry ingredients into that while it's on.
Here, when you can do that.
All right. So how long are we gonna like mix this for?
Until it starts combining.
Okay.
All right, it's combined pretty well now. It's got a good solid texture. I'm actually gonna stop you real quick and get the sides. You gotta make sure it's all combined. How y'all doing today?
I'm good. Are you excited for Christmas time?
You know I am. I'm very excited. You know, you can make a quick and easy recipe just like this for your Christmas holiday spirit.
Make this for your families, you know. Have some contests.
Just like this.
Just like this.
Well, this is looking really great, so make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break.
Hey Jake, are you okay? You look really stressed.
I'm freaking out about this test. I don't think I studied good enough.
Don't worry, we went over everything in class. You'll be fine.
Thanks, I really needed to hear that.
Welcome back. Now that we had a little break, let's finish this recipe.
Okay.
What?
So now that our dough is finished combining, now we're gonna wrap it up and we're gonna put it in a fridge for 2 to 3 hours.
Why do we put it in like the fridge?
Because we need it to get hard so all the, what's it called, things can bind properly.
Okay. So
Speeds up
now,
the process. Putting it in the freezer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna start making our frosting. So we're gonna get our other bowl. Patrick's gonna switch them out. Okay, so for our buttercream frosting, it's a simple
recipe.
it's a simple recipe. Okay, now we're gonna add 3 what's it called, sticks of butter into here.
okay, here you can open one.
Okay, so Patrick's gonna start getting that butter soft. We're gonna start whipping it. It does sound a little mad.
That's when it's slow.
So now we're gonna we're gonna measure out 3 cups of powdered sugar.
Why do you want to incorporate air into the mixture, Patrick?
Well, because you don't want flat butter, do you? You want your butter airy and thick.
Yeah, that's true. How's it looking? We gotta let that whip for a good minute.
I think we're ready for.
Some powdered sugar. Alright. That we're gonna want to put on while it's off and low.
Tell me when to stop.
You can keep going.
Yeah, you got it.
That's good.
Okay.
Now Patrick's gonna turn that on and whip it.
So much sugar.
Oh, it's almost done. You can tell it's done if you taste it.
Here, Owen, you want to give it a little taste?
I will actually.
if
give
it
this
still
a little
tastes like
taste. Am I
butter-
still just?
It needs more sugar.
What does it taste
If it still tastes like butter, then we need sugar.
Yeah, and we still need to add our vanilla.
Needs a little bit more sugar, Owen?
Maybe.
We're gonna add our vanilla.
We got another
take-
plate.
Just
All right,
take
yeah,
out
just
this
take
one and then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wipe off one
There you go.
with one glove.
What size is this? Oh,
Medium. I missed the bus this morning. I had to sprint to the next bus stop.
So now we're gonna separate our frosting into 3 different parts so we can have 3 different colors. So in the first bowl. So we all know the traditional Christmas colors of red and green. So we're gonna make some green and red frosting. So Amy, if you wanna do that, you could do red.
How much do I add?
Just like a,
As much as your heart
Are we using blue or yellow for the last one?
we're gonna keep it white. Christmas.
Oh, what are the blue? Or just extra?
Yeah, that's good, Amy.
Oh, okay. There's just trouble there. There you go.
And here is your spatula.
Okay, so we just finished coloring the frosting, and so now what are we gonna do?
Now we're gonna get our dough from out of the freezer and we're gonna cut it with our cookie cutters.
We're gonna get him into a snowman shape, the Christmas tree shape, and the ginger man.
Ginger man?
Yeah,
And
the
we're
ginger
gonna bake
man.
that at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so now let's decorate these cookies. We split off into 2 teams, and one person in each team will be blindfolded, and they'll decorate the cookie while the other person guides them. Whichever team with the best cookie wins. All right, so let's get started.
Blindfold.
Are you caressing one?
Why wouldn't I?
Yeah.
True.
All right, Jackie, are you ready?
Wait, do it like.
I'm
yeah.
ready to win, man.
Okay.
We're beating them.
Oh.
Do you know how to tie or not?
I'm struggling.
Do you know how to
Is that-
tie?
is that-
Yeah, that's good.
Is it not gonna fall off?
No.
All right.
Okay.
So which one do you want to start with, Jackie?
Okay.
All right. Yeah. What do you
Caress
wanna?
them. I don't
you
know
want-
which one
So
do you
let's
think?
each just
Yeah,
decorate
we'll start
one
with the
cookie.
snowman.
Snowman.
Oh.
Snowman.
Yep.
Wait,
snowman.
tell me which is what.
Okay.
No,
that's the
you got
Christmas
it.
tree. That's the snowman.
Okay, what color
That's
are we
the
doing?
gingerbread
Where's
man.
white?
Make him white.
I'm gonna
Where's
do
white?
Not
gingerbread
that one. The
man.
one to your
All
right.
right, here,
That one.
Move these off the plate.
Oh, you can't even
What color
see.
do you want?
That's sprinkles.
This one?
That's white.
Well, they're taking white. We have green and red.
Let me do.
How much?
There is some
Green.
frosting on there if you want to just use it.
Blue,
Like, how
right there.
much?
Don't stick your hand in it
Yeah.
because there's icing here.
All right.
It's a spatula.
And just try and use the back side
You have some
to
on
rub it
there?
around a little bit. Yeah.
How we looking?
Looks good.
Is that on it?
Yeah.
Is it like fully on it?
Or are you trying to do the whole
You
guy
got like
in
a
green?
thin layer going.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
then
we need more.
you're getting all of your hands.
There we go.
What is
Wait, are we gonna add like
this?
buttons? There you go, put them in my hand.
Right.
How
Wait,
is
wait,
theirs
wait, where are you
looking?
going?
Theirs
I'm gonna
is
put it on, like,
is
my-
horrible.
So-
Worst cookie I've ever
Wait,
seen.
where's the cookie?
There we go. That's
That's
his
the red.
head.
Wait, hold on, I'm gonna put it a little bit.
Wait.
That's the first part of the
Is that
body.
little?
This is the body?
That's like
Okay,
that's like
middle.
nothing.
No.
Oh, no.
To your right. To your right. There.
There,
No,
that's
no,
a
no, to your
little-
left. There we go.
Okay, I need the legs.
Alright.
Like,
Cookie,
there.
the legs,
Okay,
alright.
okay.
So
Next
just pick
one,
them up.
next
And just
oh
Go
my
down.
gosh, this
you're
is so.
yeah,
Down.
you're holding by his left
Down.
leg. Okay.
There.
That where your thumb. Okay, put your thumb down. Down more.
one. Okay.
That's his left leg.
All
Like
right.
his left little foot.
And right there's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we need it.
Wait, do we?
Yours is
Is there
so
cameras that they
good.
want to show?
You want to zoom in?
Can't really see it. It's
Yeah.
too.
It's too far.
Why not put it with this?
All right.
Okay.
All right, and the winner of the first round is Patrick and Jackie.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take one more quick break, and we'll be right back.
Hey, look, Connor High, are you feeling really generous this upcoming holiday season? Well, if you are, that's great, because there's an organization that we do in Connor High where you can donate toys for kids called Toys for Tots. If you want to donate a toy to a kid in need, these boxes will be located around the school. Make sure that the toy is brand new sealed, and the plushies has to be brand new with the tag on it. It can't be used. Oh, look at this young man getting no toys.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
We never just. It does not cost nothing to make a child happy.
Which one do you want to do?
Just for-
Christmas tree
Which
or
one are they
something?
doing?
No, go up. Go up.
Let's do
We're
a,
doing gingerbread man.
we'll do
No,
Christmas
go
tree.
down, bro. Right there.
All
Alright, which color?
I'm
Good.
green.
Yeah,
You
they'll
gotta get-
spread
Oh, yeah.
it now.
Are
Yeah,
they using
They're
it?
using it.
Okay, we'll do the
We
trunk.
need
We'll
more
do it red
frosting
because
on
that's
it.
is there
There's
brown
some on the
sprinkles?
back side of the spatula. Flip it
There's,
around.
This is about to fall
the
off my hand.
spatula.
yeah. There's a. What's it?
Bro,
Why can't
you're
you
doing
tie it
great.
yourself?
You're doing great.
Okay.
Go up a little bit and cover the head.
There we go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
There's
Pat the head.
Gray, green, white,
What is the closest to
There you
like tree
go.
trunk color?
the gold stars.
Okay.
Oh no, you could do the gray. I mean.
Yeah, that'll
That's
work.
good.
Okay, so give
Put
me
it-
the
put it on
white,
the
and I'm
plate.
gonna try to put it on the trunk.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Now
do like a
what?
little.
Now
bit.
what do you want to do with it?
We're gonna give it
Okay, so
eyes.
you're doing the
Okay.
trunk?
Yeah. I
Amy,
just
can you
need-
pass us the
I feel like I have a
sprinkles?
lot on here right now. Do I?
Okay.
It
You
feels
want to
very
fill
heavy.
the sprinkles?
Can you pass me that towel?
Not.
Yeah.
I mean, you,
There you go.
there. Nah, you should
Scrape
probably
it
get
or
some
not?
more. You should
Here's
get
the
some more.
towel.
More?
Oh.
That's
Because it's just the
frosting.
spoon that's heavy. Because it's like that big. Actually,
doing
no,
great, man.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
That's a lot. But it's good.
Where's the cookie at?
So.
Okay, that's the sprinkles.
Is that the top or the trunk?
That's
What
the
color do you
top.
want?
Yeah, I'm just going.
Yeah, you should.
Bro, what the?
We're gonna need. We need to give him a shirt.
Oh, okay, get red. Amy, can you pass us the red? Bro, what?
Is that?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, that's
Okay.
good.
Can I have like the rag?
All right.
Okay.
I think we're all
Okay, now
I
let's
set.
do
think
sprinkles
he's all
when we're done.
set.
Okay, I need ornaments.
Wait, you need to do the trunk too.
Bro,
Oh my god,
Amy.
I thought I broke it.
Oh. That's cute.
Okay.
You gave it
Have fun,
toenails.
just sprinkle.
Tell me when I'm over this
You
tree part.
perfectly
No, no.
spaced the toenails.
Go up a
I
little
gave him a
bit. Go
pedicure.
up to
You
the
gave
right.
him a little petty.
Down. Left.
Oh, I
Right
don't
there.
want to grab that.
Maybe go in a circle.
Have
Well,
camera.
let's see.
The light is a.
That's not bad.
That's beautiful.
Alright, let's
Wow, that's great.
Oh wow, y'all did the whole like shirt and pants and everything.
Yeah, he
They didn't
did.
even do toenails, bro.
Oh
Bro,
dang.
do you have toenails?
No.
Exactly.
Guys, I think this is a close round.
Alright.
I think it's a tie.
Alright, so the winner is Jackie and Patrick. And so now we're gonna try these yummy cookies.
I guess we each try the one we made.
Or do you just want
Yeah.
to try one so they could have some?
We'll leave that extra too.
Yeah.
We can try the. Which one do you want to try? For
What's
mine.
up?
That's
Let's
all
try
you,
this one,
you can
Jackie.
choose.
We'll try this one. Rip its head off. Break its head.
All
I don't know
right.
which one I want to try. Let's do Christmas tree.
Okay.
Twas. Twas, guys.
Guys.
Hold
Okay.
up, hold up.
Wait,
We gotta
wait.
break it and.
All right.
All right.
Toss.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this.
Yummy. Yummy cookie.
Sugar cookie.
Tastes like
Good.
cookie. It's good.
Tastes like
You
cookie.
can feel the love in the decoration.
Yes, very true. The toenails.
Look how much sprinkles, bro.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary coming soon. And remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.